So on this question, we're hearing about the vertex formula of a parabola. That's when you have a quadratic in the format of ax minus h squared plus k. If you have a quadratic looking like that, then you can say that the h followed by k is the x and y of the vertex. And the a is your opening direction, not to mention your vertical stretch. The confusing thing here is that because there's a minus sign in the formula, then if I saw something in there, I'd have to take the opposite of this number and the same of this number to get the actual vertex. So for instance, here we know that the vertex is going to be +7, +3. And we know because there's a positive number right there that it opens upward. So we've got something at 7, 3. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 1, 2, 3. And so the vertex is here. We don't really need to know for this question, but a number between 0 and 1 right there is going to make your parabola really wide. FYI. So the parabola looks something like that. And what is the interpretation of the vertex? Well, what are the x and the y in this situation? The y, the function itself, we're seeing is the height. The function is telling us about the height, and that's y. And it's based on x, the number of seconds after it started moving. And so, for whatever reason, the height started going down and perhaps even going back up according to this equation. So now the vertex is telling us the minimum height of the ball was, well, what is the height right here? It's a height of 3. So the minimum height was 3, and that makes perfect sense looking at this graph. The y value right there is 3, and the answer is A.